Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a sick.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a what I can fit in my Telfar bag. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so as you know by the title and the intro and the thumbnail, I am doing an unboxing of my Telfar bag, the Telfeezy. I finally got my hands on the Telfeezy. Jeez. So the bag actually came today. I wasn't necessarily expecting the bag to come today. And honestly, I wasn't expecting the bag to come anytime soon, if I'm being completely honest. But it came today and I'm super excited, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So it came in this box right here. I actually was not expecting the bag. That's why I opened this box. This is the back of the box. I'm not gonna show you guys my address or nothing like that, but it came in this box right here. And then when I opened the bag and I saw this right here, I was like, hold on, let me get my camera so I can do an unboxing for you guys. So it came in this plastic bag right here, and the plastic bag just says like Telfar. So this is what the plastic bag looks like right here. And it just says small chocolate shopping bag. So it's just telling me what kind of bag I got, which I'm thankful for, because honestly I forgot what bag I ordered. And this is the duster bag. It is just black and white with the logo on it right here. Super cute. I'm definitely keeping the duster bag no matter what. And now to the best part, because I haven't actually opened it, because I haven't actually opened it because I'm trying to give you guys a honest unboxing. So I'm so excited. Okay. Oop. Okay. And this is the bag. Well, this is it looks so small right now. Okay, it has it's taped up right here and right here. So this is the bag as soon as it comes out of the duster bag. So this is it. This is the chocolate small bag like this. The logo is 3D, it's 3-dimensional, so it pops out of the bag. Let me just open it up just a bit, sorry. And I love this chocolate color. I love the chocolate color. I'm really happy with the color of this bag. So the back is plain. It just has like a little dent because it was folded or whatever, but I'm pretty sure that'll come out once I stuff it or I actually use the bag. So this is the inside of the bag. This bag doesn't have any pockets in it or anything. It just has the logo stitched in, and then this bag tag, which is just telling me what kind of bag I got. Once more, the small chocolate shopping bag in the size 0. What the bag looks like from the side. Again, it does have this little dent because it was folded, but I'm pretty sure once I actually use it and stuff it, it's going to, what do you call it? It's the dents will be out. I keep looking like this way because my viewfinder's right here, and the bag just looks so good. These straps right here, the longer straps, are not removable. They are attached to the bag. So if you don't want to wear the bag crossbody, you would have to basically stuff the straps inside the bag, which I'm trying to do right now, and stuff it like that. But it does take up a little bit of space. You would really just have to put everything on top of the straps if you don't want to wear it like that. But if you want to wear it crossbody, obviously, or like on your shoulder, I would stand up, but I'm not wearing the appropriate pants for this, so I'm not gonna stand up. But it would hit me if I stood up. It would hit me like right at the, well, I'm 5'8", so it hits right at the top of my hip. Now if I did it crossbody, it's like the bottom of the bag is right at the top of my hip if I wore it crossbody. I'm 5'8", so use that for reference. I'm a little style, whatever, so I got some inches on my legs and torso and whatnot, so just use that as reference. If you are shorter than me, the bag will hit lower on your body. If you are taller than me, the bag will probably be up at your midsection. I'm really loving this bag right now. The thing that I'm just a little concerned about is what I can fit in here, because it's such a small bag. So I'm just gonna do like a fit test. I don't know if that's what you can call it, but I'm just gonna see if I can just put my regular everyday items, what I would normally carry in my bag, into this bad boy right here. So right now my everyday bag has been this Ralph Lauren bucket bag. Obviously it is a lot bigger than the Telfar bag, so I'm just gonna try and see what my like everyday necessities, if they could fit in here. I just carry extra stuff in this bag because I have the extra space, but since I don't have the space, I have to see what I can actually fit. My YSL card holder, obviously it should fit because it is a lot smaller than my bag. The next thing I would like to see if it fits are my keys. So these are my keys right here, and I do have pepper spray, which I always carry with me, so I would like to see if that fits nicely into my bag. And actually it does. It does fit real nice. The next thing that's actually very important, and it doesn't necessarily need to fit into my bag, but I would love it if it did fit in my bag, is my phone. Now, I don't think my phone's gonna fit in here because I think my phone's a little longer than the bag. Probably the exact same width as the Telfar bag. This is the iPhone 12 XS Max. I don't remember which one it is. Oh, I have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I had to look at the specs for my phone. I do have a unboxing and review of the iPhone 12 Pro Max on my channel, and also a iOS customization video. So I will leave both those videos up in the cards and down in the description box below. So please make sure you check that out after this video. So let's see if this fits into my bag. I'm sorry guys for all this extra noise outside. They are just, the hood is acting up today. They just knew I was trying to film a video spontaneously and they decided to act up. That's what it is. Ooh, okay, so I would have to put my phone in first, I think. My phone fits in there. Not that cute. It like stretches out like the side of the bag a tad bit, but it does fit in there. I just had to take my keys out, so I would put my keys on top of that. I don't really think I could put too much else in here. I'm gonna say I would also take my little mini deodorant from Native. That obviously can fit right there. Oh, my AirPods. The last two things I'd probably want to put in this bag are probably some chapstick, some my Carmex right there, and then probably a mask. But if I'm out, that means I'm going to be wearing my mask. I won't necessarily need to keep it in the bag, so I'm not going to try and put it in there. So it does fit my everyday, but it's kind of stuffed and I cannot close it. There's a little button right here, like a little snap closure. I cannot close it, and I believe it's the pepper spray. Like if I take my keys out, yeah, when I take my keys out, it snaps closed just fine, like that. So I really think it might be the pepper spray. Let me see if I take the pepper spray out of the pepper spray case, if that makes a difference. I can't close it when I put my keys back into it, but I do still have more space when I take this pepper spray out. So sorry, the straps are just kind of all over the place right now. So now I'm just gonna show you this bag in reference to other bags that I have, like the sizing that I have. So I showed you this bag next to my everyday Ralph Lauren bag. The next one I want to show you is the Telfar next to my Michael Kors bag. I don't remember which Michael Kors bag this is, but I do have an affordable bag video on my YouTube channel, so I will put that up in the cards down in the description box below. This bag is featured in that video. So this is like my go-to small bag, but this bag is obviously a lot smaller. Yeah, it's a lot smaller in width and in height. Maybe not a lot smaller in height. It's maybe about an inch shorter, but it's definitely a lot smaller in width. I would also like to show you this bag in comparison to my YSL wallet on chain bag. I do have an unboxing and review video on my channel for this bag as well. So it will be up in the cards, down in the description box. Make sure you check that out. So this is the difference. I will say I believe this bag would hold more than this one because this one is basically a wallet on chain. It doesn't give me too much space in here, but I can fit like my everyday essentials in this bag as well. Actually, this bag might be a little bit a little bit bigger, because this one actually was still snap closed. This bag will not snap closed with every single thing that I have in here. But this is it for size reference. They're about the same in height, but then my wallet on chain offers more width, but then the Telfar bag just has a bigger pocket. So yes, I ordered my Telfar online. I actually did the bag security program, because the first time I tried to get this bag, it like sold out right in front. Like, it was like somebody snatched it right in front of me. On the website, they will tell you to sign up for their mailing list, because their bags sell out in minutes. And when they mean their bags sell out in minutes, they really mean their bags sell out in seconds, because I was on the mailing list. I had this bag in my cart. I was checking out, and as soon as I hit submit, the bag had sold out. So when they announced they were doing another bag security and everybody gets a bag, I was like, okay, yes, I definitely need to get on it. This bag, I think, was about $150, but I did pay for it via Afterpay or Klarna. I'm not really sure. If you're not familiar what Afterpay or Klarna are, they are basically paid in 4 services. So I basically made 4 payments every 2 weeks to pay off this bag. I could have bought it all at once, but I'm always gonna Afterpay if I can, you know. Spend as little money as possible each time I do some shopping. That is my goal. So I did do the bag security. The only con of that is that I had to wait extremely long to get this bag. I'm actually gonna tell you how long I waited. Let me look this up. I ordered the bag on March 30th, 2021, and I received the bag August 4th, 2021. So I spent basically 4.5 to 5 months waiting for this bag. That's the only con that I see with this bag, and that and the fact that the straps aren't removable. That's the only con I have for this bag, that it took so long to get to me. Even though I did know it was going to take a while, I didn't know it was going to take that long. So if you guys are interested in purchasing your own Telfeezy, I would say obviously sign up for the mailing listings, follow them on Instagram so you get all of the notifications, so you are on it and you don't miss out the way I did. I would also say, if you have your credit card information or your debit card information saved onto your laptop or your phone, that would help you check out faster, which would prevent anybody taking your bag like it happens to me. All in all, I am happy with my cute little chocolate bag. Oh, she's so pretty. I can't wait to take her out. I wish I got another one. I think I'm gonna get another one in like a bright color, because you know I love me some neutral nudes, so I might just get me a pop of color bag. But this is so pretty. I can't wait to wear this one. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it informative, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if you have purchased a Telfar bag, or if you are planning to purchase a Telfar bag. Let me know down in the comments which color would you get. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a